mag-apply na tayo ng ating ano guys, ating Japanese cream. First time ko nito. Welcome pala sa aking vlog. Kasi guys, oh my god, ilang ano na ba ako nito. Hindi talaga siya natatanggal, doesn't go. And you know, kung magpa-laser ka, it's expensive. So I cannot afford that. So let's see if it is effective. I'll be happy. Tignan natin kung kaya bang alisin ng krem na to. Okay? Oh. Tapos na tayo mag-apply ng ating face look. Bye guys! See you in my next vlog.